Hello everyone. The former Operation Dudula movement leader, Ntantalax Dlamini, has threatened to arrest economic freedom fighters leader Julius Malema if he does not work within the boundaries of the law on March 20. The EFF is planning the mother of all shutdowns. They are calling for President Cyril Ramaphosa to resign and said it is dissatisfied with the state of the country. The party is protesting against load shedding and other service delivery issues. During recent State of the Nation address debate in Parliament, Malema lobbied Deputy President David Mabuza to join his party national shutdown, told Mabuza that the ANC did not care about him and he should join the protest. Ntantalax has encouraged the public to open a case against Malema should their livelihoods be disrupted by the shutdown. Ntantla said on March 20th, those who are saying, "I want you to go out and protect the malls and shops. Take information as we always do in our townships and suburbs. We are not going to let this anarchist collapse our economy." According to Ntantalax, Malema strategically chose March 20th because the following day is a public holiday. He said he's trying to piggyback on the fact that most South Africans would rather take leave on Monday, so they have extended long weekend. He is trying to take the energy and make it his own. It will never work. If he was a real leader of society, Julius could have chose any day free of anything and show us the power he claims to have. The Secretary General of the ANC previously said the EFF was seeking for relevance with its planned shutdown and Ramaphosa is not going anywhere. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.